What's the best type of shingle I can get for my roof?
Really, it comes down to budget and style. No one shingle in particular is better than another. Cheaper price does not necessarily mean cheaper quality. What it really comes down to is the person installing your roof.
How do you know when an asphalt shingle roof needs replacing?
Usually it's fairly obvious. If you see any missing granulars, cracks, splits, or even curling shingles, it's probably time to call a contractor.
When do I have to use ice and water shielding on my roof?
Ice and water shield is typically used on low slope roofs and in areas where ice damming is a problem. It also creates a gasket around the nail heads and protrusions.
How many vents should I have on my roof?
The amount of vents that you need on your roof is really dependent on the square footage of your roof and your attic space. They allow hot, moist air to escape, creating an equilibrium between the temperature on the inside of your attic and the outside, increasing the longevity of your roof.